Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on embedding the Report Designer control from the Bold Report server into an ASP.NET Core application. The Report Designer is a web-based reporting tool for creating and editing RDL standard reports. It comes with a wide range of report items for transforming data into meaningful information. You can quickly build reports with the help of various features like data source connections, user-friendly environments, report parameters, expressions, and more. In this tutorial, I will show you the steps to integrate the Report Designer control into an ASP.NET Core application. I have already installed the .NET SDK on my machine to create an ASP.NET Core application with Visual Studio Code. Let's start by creating an ASP.NET Core application by running this command and naming the app Core Report Server Designer. Once the application is created, I need to install a NuGet package to add necessary dependencies for the application. To do this, I change the current working directory to the application's root folder. I am adding the boldreports.aspnet.core package to this application, which allows users to create, view, and export various report types. It also contains tag helpers for creating the client-side reporting control. Then, I open the application folder in Visual Studio Code. Next, I need to reference the Report Designer scripts and style sheets in the application. I am using CDN links to reference the Report Designer scripts and style sheets. You can also use local scripts and themes. I have included a link to an article about using them in the video description. So I open the _layout.cshtml file located in the shared folder within the Views folder. Then I copy the code from the documentation and add it in the head tag. Let me initialize the Report Designer control in the application. First, I open the _viewimports.cshtml file in the Views folder and define the tag helpers to initialize the Report Designer component. boldreports.taghelpers allows you to use Bold Report Designer directly in your Razor views using HTML syntax. Add tag helper and boldreports.aspnet.core are necessary for utilizing the Bold Reports functionalities in the application. Next, I go to the _layout.cshtml file and create a div element by replacing the existing code and invoking the render body method in it. I then add the render section method and the Bold Script Manager tag at the end of the body tag. The render section method is used to define a section in the Razor view where you can inject additional scripts. Bold Script Manager is a custom HTML tag provided by Bold Reports to manage loading the Report Designer control. Now, I initialize the report server configuration in the Report Designer control. I open the index.cshtml file and create the div element with its styles by replacing the existing code. Then I add a Bold Report Designer tag to it. This is a custom HTML element provided by the Bold Reports library, which is used to embed the designer in a web page. Inside the tag, I add the ID attribute, report server URL, service URL, and Service Authorization Token API properties. The ID attribute specifies the unique name for the HTML element, so I assign the value designer. The report server URL specifies the server information. Service URL specifies the web API service URL. And Service Authorization Token authorizes access to the report server and APIs. There are three options for generating the authorization token for the Bold Reports report server. In this demo, I will embed a secret API key. To do this, I open the report server application and navigate to my profile. On this page, I select Personal Access Token and then click Generate Token. Then I choose Yes to generate the access token. Then I copy the access token and add it to the application. For the other ways to generate the token, refer to the documentation linked in the video description. Now that everything is ready, I run the .NET Run command in the command prompt to generate the URL. I copy and paste the URL into my browser. See, the report designer is loaded in the browser. Then I add some report items to the canvas. And save the report to the server application. As you can see, the created report is added in the report server application. In this video, I have shown you how to embed the report designer control from the report server in an ASP.NET Core application. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.